these 2 months have been the months of revealing the truth. So many things have been revealed and come to light. But I want to say to you guys that Floyd Shivambu is actually our future president. And all along we didn't know. We did not know that Floyd Shivambu is the future president of South Africa. It is only now that we are finding out. It is only now that we are realizing that we actually do have a president in this country. Because not too long ago, we were wondering, okay, the political talent in South Africa is worrying, it's concerning. Who's going to be president? You know, what's going on? Because at the end of the day, and we're just like, no ways. You know, we're looking at people like Colin Malachi and we're just like, what? What is happening? And we just thought, we couldn't even think of one single person, okay, Kimang only Minister of Electricity, but also no. Hell no. You know what I mean? We just didn't know. And all along, Julius Malema is sitting on his bums, hiding our president. Julius Malema is hiding our president, sitting on him, hiding him with his bums. All these years, you are sitting on a president of a country that needs a president. You are hiding him because you want to be the president. And you know that you're not the president of South Africa. You know it. I'm making this video to say to you guys, be careful of your friends. You have to be careful of your friends. Some of you guys are chemical engineers and we don't know it. Some of you are astronauts, you are scientists. Some of you are politicians, we don't know it. Some of you are business men and women. Some of you are organizers. We don't know it because of your friends. You have to be careful of your friends, guys. And once again, we have to thank Jacob Zuma, once again, for bringing the truth to light. Because all along, you know, this thing has been hidden. This man has been hidden. And yes, we're not going to lie and say, no, they didn't speak about how great Floyd is at his job. That one is undeniable. No one can deny how amazing Floyd Shivambu is at his job. But he was always dimmed. His light was always contained. And, you know, he was used. He was never brought forth to shine. He was always used for the benefit of others. You know, and even now that he's left, they have nothing to say about him besides the fact that he's a political careerist. Because if it was up to them, he wouldn't have left the EFF. He would have stayed there and his light getting dimmed. Julius Malema. Guys, leave. It's one which means snacks. It's one which means snacks. It's one which means snacks. It's one. We almost lost a president because of a jealous friend.